Hello viewers, I hope you are safe at your home and enjoying your day. And I pray to God for your wellness. Today's video is a little bit interesting one. I will teach you how to solve an existing bug in your own code. So I have identified one bug in our application and we will together solve this problem. You might have noticed that in our application, when you do not log in and add a couple of items to the cart, try to navigate to the cart page and notice you are getting navigated to the cart page without authenticating, and this is a bug because a user should be logged in before he goes to the cart page. Otherwise, he will be navigated to the login page. This is our requirement. So once you finish this session, then you should have an app where you do not log in and add a couple of items to the cart and try to navigate to the cart page, then you should be navigated to the login page. So this is our requirement. So in today's video, I will teach you how can you solve a bug in an existing application and give you an answer for frequently asked question in the interview for Angular developers role, questions such that before you want to navigate to a certain URL and you want to do certain validations, what will you do? Why should you use RxJS behavior subject over regular subject? Let me explain you the architecture diagram so that you can understand the overall flow at a very high level. Suppose there is a visitor to your e-commerce application and he is not a customer, he is a visitor. He just want to do some visiting and he is happen to add a couple of items into his cart. Now if he tries to get them and goes to the cart page, we want them to register or log in so that they are valid. Currently he is able to view the cart page without login or sign up to our shopping page. And in order to solve this problem, we will introduce can activate guard service from the Angular. And this guard service will check if a user is logged in, then it will allow the user to navigate to the cart page. If a user is not logged in, then it will redirect the user to the login page, and hence we will prevent cart page navigation. This is very simple architecture. However, this type of questions are asked in the interview many times. So try to understand and let me know if you have any questions or info if you need on this. So let's begin and write coding next for this. And in case you are interested to download the source code, slide and step-by-step guide, then make sure you do subscribe to the Elite or the Pro plan in Full Stack Master. Hi viewers, it's me Rupesh and I appreciate that you want to learn Mean.js seriously. So I want to congratulate you first for your determination. If you want to learn more from me, I highly encourage you to enroll my JavaScript courses in Full Stack Master School. You can watch this entire course and many JavaScript in-depth courses as many times as you want. You can watch your favorite courses online or offline, mobile iOS app and Android phone for on-the-go learning. The course comes with plenty of hands-on coding and many interview questions answered with practical industry standard solutions. In case you are interested, the link is in the video description below. Have a great day and I am very excited to teach you in Full Stack Master School. See you there.